Hey, John Cristani here, and in today's video, we're going to be going over how to make money online with MaxWeb. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step here. I'm going to be going over some of the important terms to understand in this business, which is called affiliate marketing. And I'm also going to be going over some more advanced terms as well to help you understand and really take things to the next level. I'll explain to you how the affiliate marketing business model works, which is getting a link, getting traffic, and getting paid. And we're gonna walk through everything right here on my computer. We're gonna go through all about MaxWeb Affiliate Network. I'm gonna show you how to promote, how to get free traffic, everything you need to start making money right now, today, during these times. So if you're looking for an easy way that anyone, anywhere in the world can make money, even if you don't have a bank account or any money, I'm going to show you right here. Let's get it. Hey folks, John Cristani here. So in this video, as I said before, we're going to go over how to make money online with the MaxWeb Affiliate Network. And I'm going to be going through how to make $80 per day. I'm going to give you everything step by step. You can do this no matter what age you are, no matter what country you are. Stop asking me, you know, I'm in Bangladesh, I'm in Nigeria. I don't want to hear the question. You're blocked, okay? Don't ask, because anybody anywhere in the world can do it, any age, whether you have a mobile phone, a computer, a tablet. All you need to get paid is an address, okay, to send a check to. That's it. And I'm going to walk you through all the various aspects of this affiliate network so you can understand what's important to know, what's not important to know. I'll go over how you can get free traffic so you don't have to spend a dime on advertising. And I'm going to be walking you through this affiliate network. Now, if you have a question, first off, Google it, okay? I'm gonna go through a lot of stuff. I can't explain to you the entire business in one 15-minute video, but I'm gonna try my hardest to do the best I can. Once again, any country can do this. You don't have to pay any money to join the affiliate network. You don't have to pay any money for traffic. All you have to do is follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video in order to start making money, as much as $80 a day or way more. But I'm going to show you how to make $80 a day. So let's get it. Okay, so here's how the business model works. There are companies that are called advertisers, okay? And they have products to sell. Maybe it's a money gun, maybe it's a hat, maybe it's a health drink, maybe it's a microphone, whatever it is. They need customers or else the company doesn't exist. That's called capitalism. They'll go to the affiliate network and they'll say, we'll give you $100 if you can get us a new customer. You deliver the customer, we'll deliver the money. Now the affiliate network, they don't want to do the work. They want to have other affiliates do it for them. So the affiliate network goes to what's called affiliates, which is you. And they say, hey buddy, we'll give you $80 and we'll keep $20 for ourselves, for being the middleman. You go out and you put up links. You get a link from the affiliate network and you advertise that link on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or whatever, you know, Pinterest. You don't need to advertise. You just post a link in a blog, whatever, and somebody buys the product and then you get your $80. Okay, that's how the whole business model works. And everybody is happy because this person is getting customers, the affiliate network's making some money, you're making some money. Perfect, right? Now let's get straight into it. MaxWeb is an affiliate network which has over 100 different products that you can sell and earn money from. You can sign up by going to MaxWeb through the link, which is right here. You can pause the video right here and open this up in a new tab. johncristani.com / doesn't really, I don't know, networks, okay? So go to johncristani.com / networks and you'll be brought to this page with a bunch of different affiliate networks you can join. You can click the links on the left side, you can click the links on the right side, and either way, it will send you to join the affiliate network, okay? So let's go through some of the various aspects of MaxWeb Affiliate Network. You do need to be approved for this affiliate network. I'll go over some tips of how to get approved for the affiliate network, but if you go to this other tab in the resources, see, I just clicked over here. You just click right there, resources. And if you go to how to get accepted as an affiliate, you can get some information on how to get accepted, some tips on how to get accepted as an affiliate, okay? So won't spend too much time on that, but it's right there. Check it out. Now, MaxWeb has no excluded countries. Anybody can join anywhere in the world. And most of the affiliate networks on this sheet, as you can see, anybody can join anywhere in the world. Again, what country you're from, if you are whining or complaining that you are not getting accepted to ClickBank or Digistore or one of these other ones, please leave my channel. If you're not a capitalist if you whine or complain. Whiners and complainers don't make money. They work jobs for usually not a lot of money. They don't even work good jobs. I don't know. Whiners just don't go anywhere. So we have 162 different products in which we can sell here, okay? 162 reasons to not be poor. You do not have to be approved for the offer. They do offer high-ticket products, which high-ticket products means that you can make a few $100s from a single sale. So all you need is one customer and you can earn, I don't know, like $500, I believe is the biggest product on here. The average amount of money you'll make from a customer is $40 and there is no support, no tools, no training, no community, but the cost to join this affiliate network is $0. You can get paid a number of different ways. Cash out, you need at least $10 to actually get paid. If you don't earn $10, you can't get paid. And you can join this affiliate network by going to johncristani.com/MaxWeb right here, okay? Or just click the link in this sheet, do whatever you want, and we can get paid. So let's go through this affiliate network real quick. So here's the sign up area. When you click the link, you'll be brought to the affiliate sign up page, as you see right here. And in order to join, you'll need to fill out your information. Now note that it is required that you have Skype. Skype is free. Again, if you're looking for reasons to be poor, this is not the channel for you. Please unsubscribe. I see 1,000 comments a day of people finding excuses to be poor. So get a Skype. That's how most affiliate marketers communicate. If you want to get into this industry, you'll hang out on Skype. So then once you're inside, you'll see a lot of different products that you can sell. To see all of the products you can sell, we'll want to go over to this area, which is called campaigns. Okay, right up there, click campaigns. Okay, now once we're in campaigns, you will see all of the different products that you can advertise and you'll see how much money you can make. Okay, so we have a lot of information here and you see all the products and the pictures of the products are listed down the left side. We have conversion rate, product price, and we have average payout. So this is the amount of money that you'll actually get if you sell the product. You have earnings per click, and then let's look at some of the terms. This is a good point to explain some terms. So first off, we explained what an affiliate is. An affiliate is somebody who is affiliated with a company or product from an advertiser, okay? An advertiser has what's called an offer, okay? The offer, as we saw, is this stuff, okay? It's the product. This is the offer, okay? This is an offer. This is another offer, okay? It's important to understand the jargon if you're going to get into this industry. Now, the next thing we need to understand is what is a CPA and what does it mean and why is it so important? CPA means cost per action, okay? What it really means is the cost to the advertiser per action. It's a little confusing, but what it means to you is how much money you will get paid, okay? So here we see this vision ebook for people with bad vision. You'll get 40 bucks. This skin cream, most women want to look more beautiful, okay? And women have been using skin creams for thousands of years. They'll be using for thousands of years more. You get $70 each time you sell this skin cream. Now I'll address why they pay more per customer. Some companies are willing to pay more per customer than they're even receiving from the cost because they have upsells. Lepitox, see, we get $56. If we sell Simplex, which gets rid of cold sores, okay, you get $80. So there's a lot of money here, and you don't need a lot of customers. All you need is one customer a day, and you're making an extra $80 a day. And a lot of these are nutraceutical supplements, meaning these work very well. You'll make a lot of money selling these. You just have to figure out how. I'll get more into the free traffic later. Also, for those of you that are like, where's my free traffic? Just go over to the resources in the network sheet. There's the free traffic right there. Okay. See, it says how to get traffic for free. Now, the CPA is also the amount of commissions you'll make. You know, they're kind of interchangeable. This is how much money, payout, commission, CPA, it's all kind of the same thing. So let's actually look at one of these products. Okay, so let's click on Sugar Bound. So this is what the page actually looks like. So we come over here and we see right here, we'll see, okay, it says your affiliate links. And this is what you need people to click on, your links right here. So we can see all of them kind of list out sugar balance. And the countries that it accepts customers from are these 5 countries: US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. These are country code. And $80, you get $80 when somebody clicks your link. This is your link, okay? You can right click and you can copy it very simply. We can open these up. We have alternate headlines, different domains, because some domains, I think it's spam blocked. This one is Get Sugar Balance, Try Sugar Balance. These are all little technicalities, but you'll see there's 2 different headlines, so you can split test. No more pinpricks. And then this says 98.3% of people didn't know this exists.
Hi, my name is David Pearson.
Once again, it's a sales fit. So there's different options that you can test against to figure out what works best. Okay? Because different things work better in different situations. You have to be comfortable with uncertainty if you're going to work for yourself. If you're not comfortable with uncertainty, once again, unsubscribe, work a job. It's not too hard. Entrepreneurship is not for everyone, okay? Really isn't. So you might be wondering, as I said before, how do you get free traffic? Well, you go over to the resources and you click free traffic methods. You click here and there's a bunch of ways. You could post a link on Facebook. Who here has Facebook? You post a link in there, okay? Now you want to write stuff, and in my videos on free traffic methods, I go over kind of what I call copywriting. You want to target people and you want to write stuff that's going to convince them to watch the video and eventually buy. An example of it is, you know, on Facebook there are groups for people that have diabetes. On Instagram there's a tag, diabetes. You know, on Google, you know, there's blogs about diabetes. You can leave comments on. Point being, there's a million ways you can do this, and I go over it in this playlist right here. I suggest you watch as many of these videos as possible. If you don't get what I'm talking about fully, just keep watching more videos until you start understanding all the terminology. Now, I'm going to get into the advanced terms in just a second here, and I'm going to give you a little special bonus. I'm going to show you the best way to get accepted as an affiliate, which is really important. Now, the payout methods you'll see here, check and ACH, US only, and they're free. Now, with international, you need a wire transfer, okay? So you have to get a wire transfer, which means you need to have a bank account. And opening a bank account is free. Well, at least it is in the US. But the point being, anybody with a bank account can get paid. Oh, and Payoneer is also free, and that works anywhere in the world. You have 2 methods, anywhere in the world. If you're in Morocco, shout out to Moroccans. Nigeria, shout out to Nigerians. Bangladeshis, Pakistanis, what's up? You guys rock. Now, let's go over some of the advanced terminology to help you guys out. So conversion rate, let's talk about that. So first off, you may have noticed that in the campaigns where it lists all of the products we can sell, we have a column that says conversion rate. Now, conversion rate means that if 100 people click on your link, you should get 2 or 3, right? 2 or 3% of those people buying the product. If you are not getting 2 or 3% of people buying the product after clicking on your link, then you are doing something wrong, okay? And you have to figure it out. You have to figure it out. That's part of being an entrepreneur. Again, I'm not going to handhold everybody for free. Everybody keeps asking me all these BS questions. You know, I have a family. This is not my business. I do this for fun. So here we go. Average payout, $80. Earnings per click is the next thing. EPC. So how much should you expect to earn per click? Now, how EPC is calculated is we're going to multiply the payout by the conversion rate here. I'll show you. So we have $80 times 0.0283 equals, I don't know. Earnings per click is around $2. I don't know how, maybe there's like some sort of refund rate. Yeah, there's probably some sort of refund rate that is tied to this. We could probably even calculate the refund rate based on this. 1.93. So the refund rate on the product is going to be about 17%. Okay, right there, just 17%. So that's how we're calculating it and everything. But earnings per click allows you to see, if you're buying advertising, how much you would want to pay per click. If you're driving to a landing page, it just helps you measure things more, because once you get deeper into affiliate marketing, for many people, they're just struggling, to get started. They struggle to get, their first, just one sale, and they get one sale, and it's so exciting. I actually did a post in the community, and if you're not active in the community, I highly encourage you to join some of our communities. We have a Discord chat channel, we have a forum, we have a Reddit, we have a number of other things, and I post often in my YouTube community right here. You'll see every day I get messages of people earning more money. You'll see Alan Castellanos made $200, quit his job, based in Mexico. I put up a post about how we're hiring somebody. Here's somebody made $1,000 in our Discord channel. Here's two guys. This guy's 15 years old right here. Made $1,400 in his first month. So we have a lot of success, and it's really exciting. And for those of you that need motivation, because I guess some people, some people do, check out the community. It's pretty cool. And we have a lot of success stories. This is really exciting for me. I posted my first ad, my ad that got me my first commission ever, right here in the community just a little bit ago. You'll see this was my first ever ad. Why was this video banned? It's got a crying little girl. You can read more about that there. So if you're paying for ads, you can spend about $1.92. Now, to find the best converting offer on MaxWeb, you would sort by earnings per click, because this usually tells you the best. This is the best offer right here. Now, that's it. Remember, once again, go over to johncristani.com/networks, and I suggest you join every single affiliate network that you can. Join every single one that you can. Okay, sign up, say you're associated with me, or you go through my trainings. I give all the information on whether there is an approval process. You'll see most things do have an approval process. What countries are excluded, if there is any cost to join. Some of the programs do cost money to join. There's also very lucrative benefits to them, and what the top offers are. Everything you need to know. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video, if you'd like me to review any other affiliate networks. We have some more that I'm going to be adding to the list sometime soon, but I really want to make sure, I want you guys making money. I want everyone here making money. I want everybody making money, because this is the #1 time for affiliate marketing ever. There's never been a better time in affiliate marketing. Everybody's locked in their homes, on the internet, bored, and searching things on their phones or on the internet. Everybody's on the internet. So go out there, be capitalistic, don't whine, don't complain, be resourceful, figure out answers to your own questions, do your own Googling, drop out of school, quit your job, make lots of money, and screw all the haters that never believed in you, because you're going to be rich. So I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's make some money. I'll talk to you soon.